Hi everyone. Introducing the Harley-Davidson FXSB SOFTAIL BREAKOUT Custom by Bundnerbike, Black Diamond. Redefining the ordinary, this custom masterpiece is more than just a motorcycle, it's an embodiment of sheer craftsmanship and innovation. At the heart of this machine lies the legendary ride system, a pinnacle of innovation and precision. Meticulously installed and MFK approved, this air suspension, tested rigorously across all Softail models, offers an unparalleled riding experience. With a simple flick of a switch, you can command the entire rear chassis, thanks to the pneumatic engineering marvel of the legendary ride. The engineering prowess extends further with the converted air exhaust system from Kess Tech, approved by Swiss standards, enhancing both performance and aesthetics. Crafted to harmonize with the bike's dynamic profile, this exhaust system represents a synergy of power and Swiss precision. Every detail of this black diamond has been meticulously curated, ensuring not just a ride, but an experience that transcends the ordinary. Stay tuned for an exclusive journey into the realm of innovation and luxury brought to life by Bundnerbike. Join us as we delve into the prowess of Swiss engineering and the artistry that defines the black diamond. Ride into the future of custom motorcycles, where innovation meets perfection. Thanks for watching.